Hi, adventurer. I'm the Onion Dragon. You beat levels 1 and 2, but can you beat the final challenge, level 3? You diced my body to pieces, but what are you gonna do? You can't eat me raw, you must cook me! This is about how to caramelize onions. First, you take some butter, or some oil if you're vegan, and you set your burner to about medium. Then you take your onions and... No, wait! That was uncalled for! And make sure they sizzle. Then you flip them over. Swoop! Until they're done for rizzle. Congratulations, adventurer! You beat the Onion Dragon. Dragon, you beat the dragon. Caramelizing. But now, MC Yama up in the shizzle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more challenges and loot.